This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the default text size in Gmail. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am logged into Gmail. To change the default text size in Gmail, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go off to the upper right hand corner up to where you see the little gear wheel. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says See All Settings. You want to click on See All Settings. Now on the tabs up top here, I have my tab on General. Make sure you're on General. And then right down here, Default Text Style. Off to the right here, you'll see you have a setting for your font style. The next one is the size of the text. The two T's. You want to click on that. Then you can choose between small, normal, large, or huge. I'm going to click on large. Then you want to go down to the very bottom and you want to click on Save Changes. Now when I compose an email, my text in the email will be larger. Thanks for watching.